In this video, we're going to estimate the area under the curve by adding up rectangles. Apply the right-hand rule with n equals 4 rectangles to estimate the area under the parabola y equals x squared plus 1 from 0 to 2. That is, x is between 0 and 2. The key concept is that the area is length times width. So the length is the f of x, is the height, and the width is delta x. And dA is equal to f of x delta x. This is a change in area, and we're going to add up these rectangles. The key idea here is to evaluate the function at the right endpoints. That means at x equals 1/2, at x equals 1, x equals 3/2, and at x equals 2. The function is being evaluated at those points. So let's compute those values. Here's a table of values. X, f of x, is equal to x squared plus 1, and the width delta x. Alright, when x is 1/2, f of 1/2 is 1/2 squared plus 1. That works out to 5/4. We can make that into a decimal. That's 1.25. And the width is 1/2. When x is equal to 1, f of 1 is 1 squared plus 1, and the functional value is 2. And the width is again 1/2. When x is 3/2, f of 3/2 is 3/2 squared plus 1. That's 13/4. That works out to 3.25. And the width is the same, 1/2. And for the last x value, x is 2, f of 2 is equal to 2 squared plus 1. That's equal to 5, and the width is 1/2. Alright, now we're going to evaluate the function at the right endpoints. So let's add up these rectangles. Area is equal to, is approximately equal to f of 1/2 times the width of 1/2 plus f of 1 times 1/2 plus f of 3/2 times 1/2 plus f of 2 times 1/2. We already worked out these values. F of 1/2 is 5/4 times 1/2. F of 1 is 2 times 1/2. F of 3/2 is 13/4 times 1/2. F of 2 is equal to 5 times 1/2. If you add up all these fractions, it will work out to 46/8. And changing that into a decimal, that's 5.75. So we've approximated the area under the curve to be 5.75 using 4 rectangles. If we go back to page 1, you'll notice that the area of rectangles is an overestimate of the area under the curve. And that's because the function is increasing. And we're using the right-hand point rule. And so the total area, the estimate of the area under the curve is 5.75. All right, thanks.